Hey everybody, my name is Luke Niermann. I'm an immigration attorney at Joseph and Hall in Aurora, Colorado, and we're here this week just giving some updates on the world of immigration and what's happening in the news. Seems like there's always something almost every day that's changing, and so we're here to keep you up to speed and share with you these updates. So this week, wanted to give a quick update on the parole process that DHS, Department of Homeland Security, announced that they were terminating for Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. So this parole process was started a couple years ago under the Biden administration. And under this program, a sponsor here in the United States could file an application to sponsor an individual from one of these four countries, Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, or Venezuela, to come into the United States. So they went through a long vetting process, and if the person was deemed eligible, passed all the security checks, they would be given permission to travel to the United States. And upon entry, they were paroled into the United States. So that means they were given temporary permission to be here in the United States, usually for a period of 2 years. Along with that, they could have a work authorization document that they could apply for. So DHS, they announced on March 25th they published a notice indicating that they intend to terminate this program effective 30 days from that March 25th publication. So that means that this parole program is set to terminate on April 24th for all these individuals. And this affects a lot of people. There were approximately 530,000 individuals who came in to the United States under that parole program. And so this is going to have a big effect on a lot of individuals. So what does that mean? When parole is terminated, that means that that individual, if they were here on parole, they no longer have permission to stay in the United States. And their work permit that might have been tied to that parole authorization is not valid after April 24th. And so DHS has said that individuals should make plans to leave as of that date, as of April 24th. Now, certain people who came in on parole might have come into the United States, been given that 2-year permission to stay here, uh, and they might have pursued alternate means for lawful status here. So some folks might have been eligible to apply for adjustment of status. Some may have been eligible to apply for asylum or TPS, temporary protected status. And some individuals may have already become permanent residents. So this notice terminating parole does not affect anybody who's already a permanent resident. Also, if they have a benefit request pending before March 25th of 2025, DHS has said that those people are lower on the priority list in terms of folks that they're going to be looking at to start removal proceedings. So what does that mean? So for individuals who came in on parole, had that probably a 2-year authorization to be here, if they have not filed for a benefit request like adjustment of status or asylum or TPS prior to March 25th, or if they are not the recipients of a petition or application that was filed for them on their behalf, like an I-130 petition or an I-140 petition filed by an employer, those individuals are going to be a priority for DHS to look for and to initiate removal proceedings. So this is a big announcement that's going to have a huge effect on a lot of people. You know, everybody's situation is a little bit unique, and so if you or someone you know are in a situation like this, we would encourage you to reach out, talk with an experienced immigration attorney to get some personalized advice on what this means for your case and whether there's any pathways towards permanent residency that you can explore. We are here to meet with you. We'd be happy to do that. You can call our office to set up a consultation, either in person, over the phone, or by video chat. We're here to help. So please reach out, and thanks for your time. Have a good day.